Alright, what's up guys? We are looking at my 2005 BMW M3. Alright, we're doing a walk around of my 2005 BMW M3 because it's for sale. Let's take you through it. So first, let's start with the dash. We have 144,201 miles. The headlight indicators are always on because I've got LEDs installed up there at the headlights. And you can see here the brake light is on, but it comes off when the parking brake is disengaged. And then our fasten seatbelt indicator is on. That goes off, of course, when we fasten our seatbelt. So yeah, no indicator lights, no warning lights, except for those LEDs. But really clean dash. This is an Canon head unit. It's an Android unit with Apple CarPlay. Just had that installed, and then our AC works wonderfully. Blows nice and cold, so you can see the auto climbing there. Hopefully you can hear this. And if you could feel it through your screen, you'd say, wow, that does feel good. That air does blow cold. We've got a Condor Speed Shop weighted shorty shifter and a Condor Speed Shop shift boot. Yeah, so that's it. You can see I'm missing the cigarette lighter there, but really everything else in here is all intact. Really nice. Oh, I gotta clean that out, so I will. Oh yeah, the steering wheel, I mean, it's got a couple little nicks here in the finish. You can see a little bit right here. Pretty minor, but I am including a Momo steering wheel with the sail. Alright, so you can see that all this is good. Leather is beautiful, it's intact. No rust anywhere, especially under here. The sills are in great shape here. I replaced this plastic recently. It had a crack in it. You can see the seat does still have a crack. We've got BMW M manual seats. You know, got some miles on them, got a little bit of wear, but they're really nice seats. The BMW M floor mats. I mean, there it is. You can see it. Car's in really good shape. It's beautiful. If I did anything else to this interior, it would be to replace those with piano black, and the headliner is kinda getting soft right there. You can see it, so I would do that as well. Back seat's good. Mats are here. I don't know, hopefully you can see. It's just, everything's good. Same here, those good mats, super clean. We got floor mats back here. Just really nice. I love this car. I hate selling it. Switch for the halos. Alright, 2005 BMW M3, 144,000 miles. Vanos has not been replaced or done. Rod bearings have not been done. We did just rebuild the ABS unit, fix some sensors, AFE, cold air intake. We've got LEDs in here. I'll get to that in a minute. That Chase Bays reservoir was put in. I removed the stock reservoir when we were running that splitter. Back here we've got the controller for the Mishismoto fan. That is a temperature controller. There's a dial in there we can raise or lower the shutoff. And here you can see we've got a Mishismoto radiator and electric fan. Works beautifully. Love these items. Other than that, the engine is a S54 6-cylinder. One of the best engines ever made. It's in really good shape. Oh, we do have BC Racing coilovers. I'll give you the numbers on what those are adjusted to, but we got BC Racing coilovers. Here, there's the VIN. This is BMW Schwartz, jet black. Pretty straightforward. You can see the paint is beautiful. It's not perfect. But it is really, really good. No stickers. So back here we've got the CSL trunk lid, CSL style boot lid, deck lid, whatever you want to call it. I did have it drilled for a spoiler. I had a spoiler installed. Had it professionally repaired, but you can kind of still see the marks. So out back here we have a carbon diffuser and like a no-name exhaust, but it does sound good. We've got CSL style rear bumper. The rear fenders have been rolled 10 millimeters, so they're nice and wide. Up front here, we've got a CSL replica front bumper with a carbon fiber splitter, and I am including an original stock M3 bumper painted black. So our wheel and tire setup, we've got 1552 Formula GT matte black wheels and 18 by 9.5 ET35 wrapped in Falcon Azenis RT615K Plus 265/35 ZR18. I love this tire and wheel setup. Everything is just tucked really nicely, fits really good. In the rear we've got 27.5 millimeters of spacers, 25 plus 2.5, and up front we've got 7.5. Now you can see here there's a little chip. Let's see if I can focus on it. Little chip in the paint or in the fender. Just want to be transparent, folks. I do have new inner fenders. We put those in March of last year. I had cut the old inner fenders to fit the splitter. The splitter is included. On our brakes we've got Stop Tech cross-drilled and slotted rotors, Akebono Euro ceramic pads. I'll also include a set of Hawk HP Plus Sport and Track pads. We've got Sparta Evolution stainless steel brake lines under there, and Motul RB660 racing brake fluid. Little tinted side lights. Clear up here. Alright, there's a lot on this car that you can't see. So the subframe was reinforced in February of 2019 with Condor Speed Shop rear subframe reinforcements. We've got Condor Speed Shop UHMW differential mounts. We've got Condor Speed Shop UHMW rear subframe bushings as well. A new Guibo, which was also installed in March of 19. BC Racing rear height adjusters, and those BC Racing BR series coilovers. That front spring rate is 62160-8, and the rear spring rate is 62140-12S. If that means anything to you. Redline 75 110 diff oil in their trunk. Ignore the little trickle charge there. I keep this thing charged all the time. We do have a toolkit. It's not complete, but it's not empty. So you can see what we've got in here. Alright. Carpet's all good. It's actually really nice. Inside it's good too. Over here I'll show you the battery. We've got a Die-Hard battery in there right now. We did have a Optima, but for now it's Die-Hard. Yeah, that's it. Not really sure what else to tell you about this car. I love it. It is beautiful. I don't want to sell it. Oh, yeah, one thing. That could be better. I would paint those if I was keeping it. Just worn from time and use, but I'm not keeping it. So, I didn't really have the time to paint, but yeah, this is it, guys. 2005 BMW M3. It's nice, it's fast. And there she is. Alright, that's it. So that's my 2005 E46 M3. I love this car. I do hate to sell it, but life happens and I have to. I gotta sell it. A lot of stuff happening. Like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments if you have questions. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.